course, we're pleased by the success of the Shakespeare Theatre Company, and it's attributable to many different things, of course. One is our desire to try to do the best work of the most interesting plays in the English language, or the most interesting plays in world literature, in interesting new translations or adaptations, and to be able to attract really wonderful artists, both those people who live here and people from all around the country and the globe. And I remember when the National Theatre was here, they said this audience who listened to Phèdre listened in a better way than anybody had ever had in England. And the Great Game people said they got things, the Washington audience got things that the London audience didn't get with the Great Game Afghanistan. But also that there is such a supportive audience that they actually want to go to theater. And of course, that's only possible because there has been equal support from contributors who have not only taken the time to come to the theater, but actually have been generous with their own financial resources to help us grow into the theater we are. So we are dependent so much on individual donors, and the fact that individual donors have been so generous over the years and continue to be, even in difficult times, has certainly been one of the major contributions to the success of the Shakespeare Theatre Company, and we are all eternally grateful, because without it and without such a supportive audience, we simply could not do our work.